It's a giant egg. God, that was awful. Wow, wow. Wonky. Well, it's a wonky word, that's for sure. Plus one word this migration. Oh, it's a smaller egg. Can I do that one too? Nope. Okay. Imagine if birds actually hatched like that. Like they had to hatch their first skin and then or their first shell, and then there's a second shell, like little like Russian nesting doll eggs. But you ever This is so dumb. Imagine if that's how they hatched though. That'd be crazy.